Reproduction in plants. First, let's understand what is reproduction and its importance. Reproduction is the process by which young ones are produced from their parents. Reproduction is important so that the species of that animal does not go extinct. There are two types of reproduction. Asexual reproduction. In this kind of reproduction, only one parent is required to form a baby. Example, amoeba, etc. There are 5 types of asexual reproduction. Budding. In this type of reproduction, a parent forms a bud on itself which grow and form a new organism. Example, hydra. Binary fission. When an organism split itself into 2 parts, it is called binary fission. Example, amoeba. Spore formation. In this reproduction, an organism grows spherical cells called spores. These spores grow into new organisms. Example, some fungi. Fragmentation. In this reproduction, an organism breaks itself into 3 or 4 pieces and each piece grow into a new individual. Example, Spirogyra, starfish, etc. Vegetative reproduction. In this reproduction, a plant grows itself from one of its part. Example, rose can grow from its branch. Sexual reproduction of plants. In sexual reproduction, each parent produces a special cell. Female part of the flower produces ovum or egg cell and the male part produces sperm. The ovum and sperm fuse to form zygote. Male parts of a flower are anther and filament. They both are also called stamen. Female parts of a flower are stigma, style, ovary. They are called pistil. Germination. Germination is the development of a seed into a plant.